Alright, welcome everybody to HeroClix by Kids for Kids. We're going to be doing our Guardians of the Galaxy brick opening. As you can see down there in the bottom, there's already a Super Skrull zombie who's out of focus. Focus. Well, anyway, it's down there. My daughter, doing her usual at the store, managed to pick a pack that had the chase in it, so she opened her chase. It did not come out of this brick, it just came off of some of the packs off the shelf there.
It has a little joke they put on the package. As you can see in the front of one of these, it says, warning, choking hazard, not for children under 3. And yeah, but on the back it says, choking hazard. Not for undead body parts, not for the living.
Not for the living. Alright, so they really did up the packages. As you can see, there's the Guardians of the Galaxy box and the Thanos box based on the front art. And then up top,
there's Rocket and Thanos.
And you have Rocket and Thanos on the tops.
Wait, Rocket?
Yeah, Rocket Raccoon's on the top. So it appears that Rocket is on the Thanos packs, while Thanos is on the Guardians of the Galaxy packs. So,
okay, that's weird.
Yeah, that is a little weird. So, but anyway, that's the way it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to open them up. We're going to see what's inside. The figures that I'm looking for, personally, are the Thanos and hopefully a Magneto zombie. But we'll take what we can get. So let's have Evie open the first one.
Is that a Rocket one?
Yeah, no, it's a Thanos one.
Then I was thinking about taking all the rockets. I got Gamora, Mantis, Raptor. I thought it was
Raptor.
I thought it was Raptor. Star-Lord.
Cool.
And Black Bolt.
Star-Lord and Black Bolt. Awesome. All right. So, Steve, your turn, bud.
Got number 1, and Evie got number 2. I wonder why they always.
It's for the printing on the front.
It's upside down. No, like this. Oh, I see someone silver.
Just reach in and pull it out, bud.
Boogie dance. Yeah, that's the guy I was talking about.
Okay, well, who do we got in there?
Of course.
Read them off.
That looks like Storm by this. Martyr, Crystal, Ebony Man, Maw, Brother Royal, and Badoon.
Alright. So we got Crystal, Ebony Man, Brother Royal. I don't know who that is. And if you haven't noticed, Brother Royal, I don't think you can see it there. There we go. He's a 14B. Now you notice there's no green ring around him, so I don't know what they're doing with the numbering system, but anyway, moving on. Alright, next one up. It's beat up, uh-oh. Well, hopefully nobody's broken there. We already had our first break in the other one. Yeah.
Wait, what?
But one of the packs we opened at the store had a broken figure.
Guess what?
What?
Chase.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Is it a rock? No, it's not. I thought it was. No, it's kind of...
Alright.
I got Thanos!
You got Thanos? Awesome.
Isn't he a Prime?
No, there's a Prime of them, but no.
Woohoo.
So who do you got in there?
Oh, wait. This is from the comic book I read. He wore Thanos Redemption.
Alright.
It's Thanos, of course.
Yes.
Moon Dragon, yes.
Yes.
I know her. Alpha Primitive, Nebula, and Triton.
Triton. Alright. Thanos. Yeah.
Awesome.
That's cool. Is he expensive in point? 300 and 200. When are they going to make a Thanos that's actually playable on a team?
When he's almost dead.
Alright. Go ahead, Steve.
Gun number 2, and okay, I gotta do it like that apparently. Oh, let me see here. Okay, he's off. It's because he's so big you can't put him in. Oh, I know this guy. You got a super rare. It's a Nihilus.
A Nihilus, huh?
I think. Don't take it
Yep,
out.
that's a Nihilus. In there.
Why trust cards? Nova. Well, Nova actually looks more like the comic one than the other set. Nebula and Major Victory and Gamora again.
Cool. So wait, we got 2 Gamoras already?
Yeah.
Awesome. 4 packs out of 1 brick, 2 Gamoras. Whose turn is it?
Mine.
Alright.
You're opening a rocket. No, I'm not. See.
Well, Steve, hopefully inside a Rocket Raccoon will be.
I want that. Wait. He's stuck. I got Sphinx, Gordon, Icon, Space Knight, and Drax the Destroyer.
Drax. Cool.
Drax looks different than the other one, and it took us forever to find him on it.
Yeah.
Team.
Sphinx. Oh, Space Knight. Cool. Drax looks cool. So it's just the 1 super rare so far, right, guys?
Yeah.
Alright.
I found somebody who's also off on mine. Oh! Groot!
You got a Groot?
Yeah, wait,
Careful, careful.
I also super rare.
Alright.
I also got. You gotta be flipping kidding me. What? Don't take him out. It's Nova. Talon. That. Regillian Colonizer. Oh! This is from where Thanos lives. I'm gonna punch you in the face. And then a
Well, he's got, yeah, that is a fist, isn't it?
and Kree Private in pink.
Cool.
Kree Private.
Nova, Talon, it's Regillian Colonizer, and Kree Private.
Me turn.
Alright, so that's 2 super rares. Let me have the cards, bud.
I think if you get it with the Guardians of the Galaxy, you get the expensive because.
Alright, Amy.
I got the chase.
You
for
got
sure.
a chase?
For sure.
Awesome! Oh, it's a Mole Man.
Without an arm.
Oh, there's 2 arms on him.
No.
Yeah, there is. Look at it.
That's his hand.
Who's all in there besides Mole Man and the chase?
Death Urge, which you wanted.
Yep.
Corthin the Pursuer. Parton and Mantis. Partor. I got the same guy again, and I keep thinking it's Patroller. And then Mantis.
Cool. Alright. Yeah, Death Urge. Do you remember why I said I wanted Death Urge?
Because of the Great Lakes.
Yeah, because of the team I'm playing next week. I'm playing the Great Lakes Avengers next week. Okay.
That's next.
Okay. What did you get this time?
I got another Iron Man. Yep. Wait, that's not Iron Man, is it? It is. It's the super rare Iron Man.
Yeah, Iron Man. Evie, do you know who the guy is next to him?
The Accuser. Ronan.
Ronan. Yeah, it's Ronan the Accuser.
He doesn't look quite like the movie. Not a lot. Okay, he looks extremely different. We got the Pile. That's his name now, Pile.
The Pile?
Yes.
Yeah, Dire Wraith. Ronan the Accuser. Iron Man, he is a super rare. That's the Cosmic Iron Man.
What's the cosmic one?
It's the space suit. It's the suit that he's using out in space and whatnot.
Doesn't he get possessed by Galactus?
I don't know.
No wonder he has so many suits.
All right, Evie, your last pack. Make it a good one.
I don't know, easy. Well, we have our
Steven,
chase and
stop.
such. Hey, Shriek, that's not broken this time. That's the one that we opened. It was broken. The black
Oh,
lady,
see?
and he's now standing up more
Yeah.
than the other one.
Who else is in there?
Crystal again, Talon, and Tree Private, and I can't read that. Chitauri.
Chitauri?
I think
Yeah. Chitari? I don't know.
something.
It's the guy right up front there, whoever that might be.
I can see Groot.
So we've got quite a bit of dupes already. What's the one figure we haven't pulled yet?
I can't believe we haven't pulled it yet.
Rocket.
No.
Well, yeah, you're wanting Rocket, but who do you want?
Captain Marvel.
All right, Steve, you need to open up a Captain Marvel.
It's
Pressure's
uncommon.
on.
Done. No Rocket. Darn.
Well, who's all in there?
Who knew Captain Marvel was so hard to get? She's uncommon.
That one is
Crying out loud.
ISAAC. There's dots.
Isaac?
Yeah, but it's like Shield has the dots.
Oh, okay.
Star Fox, Kree Lieutenant. I said
Star
that weird.
Fox. Seriously, you gotta be joking.
Isn't that Thanos' brother? It looks like
Star
it.
Fox? Yeah, Star Fox is Thanos' brother.
Also a name of a
Recorder!
game.
Ah, the annoying recorder from the comic. Oh, he's funny. And sadly, he's left and he explodes. Jason of Spartard?
Sparta?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder who Jason of Sparta is. I wonder how he relates to other people in this set. Did you see the movie? Guardians of the Galaxy?
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah?
I heard.
Leave your comments in below if you've seen it.
I know it's Peter Quill who's Star-Lord. So.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's the opening. What we'll do is we'll pull out the important or the interesting pieces and we'll put them together and hopefully get better shots of them. So thanks for watching and check us out here momentarily.